All right, Algebra 2. We're at the end of topic 2 here on quadratics. And taking a look at some of the review problems. Be best to do these before the test. Make sure you understand what you're doing. So what do we have here? It looks like a bridge. And I see an equation. And the curvature of the bridge narrows, blah, 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 blah. And read, this is a strategy I teach oftentimes for ACT for speed. What is the width of the arch? So based on that question, I'm assuming the width of the arch is speaking of like how far is it from here to here. So if we called this 0 and we called that over there, so we have this height here, we have that height there. If we could find the vertex here, for example, that'd be halfway and double it, sort of thing. Some of those kinds of strategies. So I think that might be the fastest way to go here. So if you look at this, if you remember a parabola, this right here, and the negative 52.5, it's the opposite, and then that's the horizontal displacement, sometimes transformation, and then the 45. And so if they want the width first, we would just double this is what I'm looking at and thinking here, because if the vertex, that would be halfway across because of the symmetry. So this part right here would be 52.5, and because of symmetry, the rest of it over here should be 52.5. So I'm gonna say that's, if you double that, that's 105, right? So let's see if that's sufficient for figuring out, assuming the width, that's what they're talking about. I might have to go back and reread the question a little more carefully, but just doing that, there's not a whole lot of math that I have to do there as long as I understand that equation. So let's see if 105 is indeed the width of that span. Well, that was easy. Just understanding that made that a super fast question. So hopefully that helps. Don't make that harder than it really is, I guess, would be what I would say. All right, keep at it, understand it. If you're watching these videos to help figure them out, good job. Keep it up.